What's up there, guys? I'm here with the unboxing of Yuki Yuna is a hero box set 2. Thing's freaking just damn. Like when I got it, I was like, holy crap. But yeah, this is the front of it. Comes, it's a 4-episode Blu-ray. So let's get right to it. I'll cut the crap out of it. Alright, so I just took out the plastic and yeah, how do you... Okay, alright. Got little flaps. Let's get this off. Alright. Just got the body can. So that. Let's open this up. And this is what it looks like when it's opened up inside DVD 2. Boom. Comes with just the booklet, characters, cast review, episode guide. Pretty much just all that in there. And it looks like these are the drawn pictures of the characters, or at least in this box set. Right there. Boom, boom. And then right there. Yeah, so one hell of a short video, but yeah, this is pretty much the box set 2 of Yuki Yuna. It's a hero. Yeah. Very nice, I did not expect it to be, this freaking big. Expect it to be like a regular limited edition type, but and hell, dude, I personally think it is a really good deal to get. I mean, if you're one of those guys or girls, whoever, who's end up buying limited editions this fucking big, and go for it. Yeah, that's all I have to say in this video. Hope you enjoy it. Drop me a like, comment, subscribe. Again, got any anime, manga that is worth checking out, let me know. Holler at me in the comment section. See you later.